Hi students, this is a very interesting question from KTU December 2015. This is video lines 39. It says about three poles. It says about three vertical poles. Vertical pole AB 2 meter long, vertical pole CD 4 meter long, and vertical pole EF 6 meter long. 8 meter long. The three poles are on the ground. The three poles are on the ground and they lie on the corners of an equilateral triangle of 5 meter side. They lie or their ends are or they stand on the corners of an equilateral triangle of 5 meter side. So when you look from the top, the three poles will be points. Each pole will be represented as a point when you look from the top. So and this point lies on the corners of an equilateral triangle of 5 meter side. You are asked to draw the plan and elevation and find out the lengths connecting the top. Lengths connecting the top. A to C, C to E, and A to E. There are three lines actually. Find their lengths and their inclinations to the ground. If you connect the top of the first pole to the top of the second pole by a string or by a rod, and also the top of the second pole to the top of the third pole by a rod or a string or a twine, and also the top of the first pole to the top of the third pole with the help of a string or a rod, you are asked to find the lengths of these rods and their inclinations to the ground. That's the question. Okay, I draw an equilateral triangle first, an equilateral triangle 5 meter side, and I have to choose a scale. You can choose any appropriate scale. Say 1:50 may be good enough, so that 1 meter can be drawn as 2 centimeters. So this 7.5, how much? 5 meter. 5 meter can be represented as 10 centimeter in your drawing. Okay, I propose a scale of 1:50, 1:100 may also be good, so that this can be represented as 5 centimeters. Okay, I draw at 1:50 scale, I draw an equilateral triangle of 10 centimeter side, mark AB, CD, EF. Project them B dash, D dash, F dash. Mark 2 meters up, locate A dash. Mark 4 meters up, locate C dash. Mark 8 meters up, locate F dash. Agreed? Now, you have to connect them. I connect A dash, C dash by a line. I connect C dash, D dash by another line. And I also connect A dash, F dash by another line. I have to find out the true lengths of these three lines. I have to find out the true lengths of these three lines. Agreed? Agreed? Okay. AC, let us consider AC first. A dash, C dash is elevation, AC is the plan. How do you find the true length and theta? Make the plan parallel to XY, elevation is true length. ഒരു ലൈനിന്റെ പ്ലാനും എലിവേഷനും തന്നാൽ അതിന്റെ ട്രൂ ലെങ്ത്തും തീറ്റയും കാണണമെങ്കിൽ പ്ലാനിനെ എക്സ്വൈക്ക് പാരലാക്കിയാൽ മതി. എലിവേഷൻ ട്രൂ ലെങ്ത് ആയിരിക്കും, തീറ്റ അവിടെ കിട്ടും. സോ ഐ മേക്ക് എ ബി പാരലൽ ടു എക്സ്വൈ, AC. I make AC parallel to XY. When I make AC parallel to XY, I get this point itself, C1. Project C1 to this locus, C1 dash. True length and theta of AC. True length equals so and so. Theta AC equals so and so. True length AC equals so and so. Agreed? One task is over. What is the other task? Other task is CE. Make CE parallel to XY. E1 dash. Project it up. This is actually E dash. Okay. E1 dash. This is E1. This is E1 dash. True length theta C. True length of C. TL of CE theta C. Answers. Now, what is remaining? AE. AE is remaining. Here in the plan, AE is parallel to XY. What does it mean? Its elevation is true length. So this itself is true length of AE. And this itself is theta of AE. TL of AE equals so and so. Theta AE equals so and so. Answers. I hope it is clear. Very simple question actually. But when you read the poles, equilateral triangle, etc., we get confused a little bit. That's all. I mark the dimensions. Two meters. Four meters and 8 meters. You have to mark the actual dimensions. When you are taking a scale, you have to mark actual dimensions. 5 meters. I hope it's clear. Thank you.